back again with another video. Today we are standing right in front of the Riverbank Zoo and Garden. As you can see behind me, this zoo is in Colombia, and as you know, we are taking Ishani to different places on her monthly birthday. So it's her 7th month birthday already. She is like running. ऐसे रेस चल रही है, वो बहुत जल्दी उसके मंथली बर्थडे आ रहे हैं, and we don't even realize कि टाइम कहाँ जा रहा है. अभी तो जस्ट हम जा एक्वेरियम गए थे, and it's like yesterday. So yeah, it's 2nd of July. She is turning 7 months today, and we are here at Riverbank Zoo and Gardens. तो आज मैं आपको ईशानी के साथ में Riverbank Zoo and Gardens दिखाने वाली हूँ, and join us on our family adventure. I hope you love this video.
So before everything else, we went to see the grizzly bear, and look at our little girlie. She's not scared at all.
Ishani, are you scared? Ishani, are you scared? No.
Next up, we went to see these cute little sea otters. I mean, look at them, how playful they are. We got to see these Hamadryas baboon as well. And by the way, did you know they can swim and they have 32 teeth like us humans. And they can run as fast as 30 miles per hour. So don't you dare mess with them.
You can see African lions in this area, but it's no luck this time. It's not outside. Can't see it. Lion डर गया? Lion is scared of you. Oh, Ishani is holding her umbrella.
Hold it, इसे चोट लग जाएगी.
Dada Ishani से काम करा रहे. Ishani umbrella hold करके.
This was hands down my favorite part of the zoo. Guess why? Yes, flamingos. It was my first time seeing them, and wow, they are stunning. These unique birds are basically nature's fashionistas, rocking their fabulous pink shade. Fun fact, they aren't born pink. They start off white and grey and get their blush tinted feathers from their food as they grow. Oh, and get this, they can balance on one leg like yoga pros for hours, even catching some sleep while doing it. How cool is that?
So tiger is resting today. It's too hot.
Riverbank Zoo and Gardens have so many fun activities for mostly each age group, and they have snacking and munching options as well, so you will be sorted throughout the day.
So Ishani is going for carousel rides.
They have this carousel, they have train ride, they have giraffe feeding and all 4-5 activities. वो करने के लिए they have this explore more card. It's like a prepaid card, so you load it for like 10, 20, 150, whatever you want, and उससे आप rides कर सकते हो. I'll tell you an example like this carousel. उसमें parent is free with the baby, so उसके $2 लगे हमारे. तो आपके एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आपकी ये राइड्स वगैरह करके इस कार्ड में अगर कुछ अमाउंट बच जाता है तो यू कैन यूज दैट कार्ड, यूज दैट अमाउंट फॉर फूड और एनी अदर एक्टिविटी, फूड और एनीथिंग. एंड इवन अगर वो भी आप नहीं करना चाहते तो दिस कार्ड इज गुड फॉर 1 year. तो इन अ ईयर अगर आप दोबारा आते हैं तो यू कैन यूज दैट कार्ड.
This section of the zoo is called Sea Lion Landing. Let's go see some sea lions. Ooh, that sounded like a tongue twister.
ये शानी सी लाइन्स देख रही है। शानी को समझ में आ गया कि डिफरेंट हो रहा है। Ishani is going for train ride. Oh, Ishani, look! कैसा लगा ट्रेन राइड करके? मजा आया? Did you enjoy it? Ishani, ये अभी भी ट्रेन की तरफ ही देख रही है। ईशानी, मजा आया? पूरे ज़ू में ऐसे जगह जगह पे वॉशरूम्स भी हैं, so you need not to worry about your kids and diaper changes or anything like half breaks, full breaks. So यहाँ पे ऐसे पार्टी एरिया भी है, the space you can rent. For like birthday parties or anything, you can rent this area. It has a huge capacity. Ishani ostrich देखने जा रही है अभी। Hunted to extinction. Look, Ishani. It's a big alligator.
Lazy alligator. Sleeping.
He's sleepy.
Sleepy.
So we are in Giraffe Overlook right now, but there is no giraffe. It's closed. This area closes around 3:30. Ideally, in that Explore More ticket, you have giraffe feedings too. But for that, you have to ensure that you come here before 3:30 like that. But now it's closed. इस एरिया में है गैलापागोस टॉर्टोइज। ये ईशानी देख रही है यहाँ पे। ईशानी क्या देखने आई है यहाँ पे?
Tortoise can live for 150 years.
Yeah, they can survive more than 100 years. See how old they are, Ishani. तो ये है राइनो लुकआउट पॉइंट। यहाँ पे ना सारे लुकआउट पॉइंट्स पे ऐसे शेडेड एरियाज हैं। सो गर्मी में वी वर थिंकिंग कि हम एक्चुअली आफ्टरनून में आए हैं। थोड़ा ईशानी की वजह से मॉर्निंग में निकलना प्रॉब्लमेटिक होता है हमारे लिए कभी कभी, एंड दिस वाज दैट डे। सो बट स्टिल हम आफ्टरनून में आए हैं यहाँ पे बिकॉज ये हमारी सिटी से 1.5 आवर के डिस्टेंस पे ही था। तो वी वर लाइक चिल, ओके आराम से जाएंगे आराम से आएंगे। बट फॉर सन वी वर लिटिल बिट स्केप्टिकल कि गर्मी बहुत होगी। बट दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट, दीज लुकआउट पॉइंट्स आर ऑल शेडेड एंड देयर आर फैंस एवरीवेयर। This is the farm area inside the zoo. तो यहाँ पे goats है basically, Nigerian goat, mountain goat. So we covered this area. इसमें tortoise है, kangaroos है, gorilla है, restaurant है, sea lion, aquarium and penguins वगैरह है। ये हमने cover कर लिया। Now we are going this side. I think we covered this as well, Dada. Farm, giraffe, gorilla. ये farm देख लिया, giraffe देख लिया, gorilla, restaurant, sea lion, aquarium, penguin, both. It's the same only. So guys, that was it about today's video. हम actually zoo बंद करा के बाहर निकले। शाम के 5 बज गए। ईशानी भी काफी टायर्ड हो चुकी है and she is a little exhausted. अभी हम घर जाएंगे। नहीं, पहले हम कुछ खाएंगे और फिर घर जाएंगे। यहाँ से हमारा 1.5 hour का ड्राइव है। सो होप यू एंजॉयड the zoo tour with us. Subscribe the channel and join us for our next family adventure. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.